This is the non-coronary sinus. This is the left and this is the right. This illuminated part is the membranous septum, which is at the RCC-NCC commissure. This here is the mitral valve. Mitral valve is slung at the NCC and the LCC, the left and the non. Have a look at one of the leaflets. This is one lunule, this is another lunule, and this is the nodule of Arrhenius. So this lunule would coapt with the lunule from the neighbor, and that lunules are for coaptation. This specimen is a dissected base of the heart. This shows us the mitral valve here, the tricuspid valve, the aortic valve in a wedged position in between all, and the pulmonary valve which sits on a pulmonary conus at a slightly higher level. This diagram shows us the different zones. The basal ring is the ring which is at the very base or the nadir of the leaflets. The demarcation between the ventricle and the aorta is the ventriculo-arterial ring. That is more tissue-wise. Okay, so that is slightly higher than the basal ring. The commissural ring or the sinotubular ring is at the apex of these leaflets. So when you see that little area which is shaded and marked as ventricle within the sinus is actually anatomically the ventricle, but the pressure would be that of the aorta. The interleaflet triangles, they are actually within the anatomical aorta, but the pressure there would be that of the ventricles. This shows us the aortic leaflet. Each leaflet has got two lunules. These lunules are the rough areas where they coapt with the neighbor, and each of them would have two lunules. The area where the lunules are not there is the more clearer area. Where the two lunules meet, you find a nodule of connective tissue, and that is called the nodule of Arrhenius.